Hello everyone, today we are here to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Learning Languages at Elementary Level. It's NIOS book, it's DLED 503 code book. It's a bestseller Hindi medium new book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India as per the new syllabus pattern book. Cover of this book is very nice, so let's review this one. It's a bestseller book of Vinod Publications, as also their previous books were also too. So let's review this. Syllabus Unit 1 understanding language, what is language, Indian language, language teaching and learning. Then Unit 2 skills associated with teaching, learning, listening and speaking, reading, writing. Unit 3 language learning, literature and language teaching, planning in language classroom. Then educational material, evaluation and assessment. Contents are mentioned, then you check these contents, go to any particular page, read that particular topic and check this out. For example, if you want to check whether the page numbers are accurate or not, you can check out also that assignment 1, assignment 2, very short answer question, model test paper 1, 2 are also given. You can also check at page number. For example, page number 90, very short answer question should be given. So let's check page number 90. See, very short answers questions are given with answers in detail. You can go to page 110 page and check model test paper part 2. You can check this out. Page numbers are very well mentioned also. Yes, you can check this out. So page number 110 model test paper part 2 is given. MCQs are completely given in detail with answers. So it's a very outstanding book. Every questions are given in detail, answers are given in detail, MCQs are given in detail, question answer are given in detail. Many pages are given to each particular topic. Go to any particular page and read it. You can check this out. Many pages are given to each particular topic. So in the back side of the book, other textbooks and guest papers of NIOS are also mentioned, of DLED of Vinod Publications, bestseller. You can check them out. You can buy this book at just ₹174.50 rupees only. This book is available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can also call them directly at 9218-219218 at Vinod Publications, and the book will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also buy this book from any available bookstore nearby your location at just ₹174.50 only. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other books. You can visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books. And if you have any query regarding any book, you can go to their email at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. If you have any complaint regarding any book or this book, you can go to the helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com and they will help you in just few minutes. So 174.50 is the really respectable and reasonable and less price of the book. Buy it on Flipkart, Amazon, online, or call them directly at 9218-219218, or buy it from any available bookstore nearby location. It's your choice. 174.50, very reasonable price of learning languages at elementary level, Hindi medium, DLED 503 code, bestseller as per new syllabus pattern, Vinod Publications book, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. I highly recommend this book. Must buy it. Thank you so much.